Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. 2002 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $1,234. Turn heads with this iconic 2002 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, a true American classic that blends style, performance, and nostalgia. With 155,000 miles driven, this silver beauty still commands the road with its bold design and reliable automatic transmission. The exterior shines in classic silver, while the interior offers comfort and character. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or first-time classic car owner, this Mustang delivers an unforgettable driving experience. Solidly built and timeless in appeal, it's perfect for weekend cruises or your next project car. Recently listed in Sedalia, Missouri, and available now at a bargain price. Don't miss this chance to own a piece of muscle car history. Grab it before it's gone. Number 2. 1994 Ford Mustang GT. Price, $3,500. Experience raw power and vintage charm with this 1994 Ford Mustang GT. A true muscle legend built for those who love to drive. With just 113,928 miles on the clock, this Mustang offers a thrilling ride, thanks to its manual transmission that puts you in full control. Its aggressive stance, classic design, and strong performance make it a favorite among enthusiasts and collectors alike. Whether you're cruising through town or hitting the highway, this GT delivers that unmistakable Mustang attitude. Recently listed in Kansas City, Missouri, this beauty is a rare find at an unbeatable price. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of Ford's performance legacy. Grab it before someone else does. Number 3. 1990 Chrysler New Yorker. Price, $5,000. Step into timeless elegance with this 1990 Chrysler New Yorker, a true classic that captures the luxury and comfort of a bygone era. Driven only 72,000 miles, this well-preserved gem features a smooth automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and showcases a sophisticated white exterior paired with a plush blue interior. Its classic design, spacious cabin, and legendary ride quality make it a standout for collectors or anyone seeking a reliable and stylish cruiser. Whether you're attending vintage car shows or enjoying weekend drives, the New Yorker offers grace and performance in one beautiful package. Listed in Lawrence, Kansas, and ready for a new home. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of American luxury history. Number 4. 1980 Ford F-250 Long Bed. Price, $6,500. Built tough and ready for the long haul, this 1980 Ford F-250 Long Bed is a true workhorse with vintage charm. Driven 123,456 miles, it features a reliable automatic transmission and carries that classic Ford strength that made these trucks legendary. Whether you're looking for a solid daily driver, a weekend project, or a show-worthy classic, this long bed beauty delivers. Its rugged build, roomy bed, and unmistakable style make it a favorite among collectors and truck lovers alike. From job sites to country roads, it handles it all with ease. Listed in Platte City, Missouri, and priced to sell. Don't miss your chance to own a durable piece of American truck history. This one won't last long. Number 5. 1967 Ford Galaxie 500. Price, $7,750. Step back into the golden age of American muscle with this stunning 1967 Ford Galaxie 500, a full-size classic that commands attention wherever it goes. Driven 153,145 miles, This beauty features a smooth automatic transmission and retains the timeless style that made it a favorite of its era. With its long, sleek lines and bold presence, the Galaxy 500 is perfect for collectors, cruisers, or anyone who appreciates classic Ford engineering. The ride is comfortable, the power is satisfying, and the character is unmatched. Whether you're hitting the road or showing it off, this classic won't disappoint. Listed in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and priced to sell. Don't miss your chance to own this iconic piece of 1960s American automotive history. Number 6. 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL 450 Roadster 2D. Price $15,000. A rare opportunity to own a classic. This 1974 Mercedes-Benz SL 450 Roadster 2D blends timeless elegance with incredible performance. Listed a year ago in Lewisburg, Kansas, it's been driven just 108,000 miles and features a smooth automatic transmission. The SL 450 is a roadster that captures the essence of luxury driving, with its sleek lines, powerful V8 engine, and sophisticated interior. Whether you're cruising on the highway or showing it off at a car meet, this beauty is sure to turn heads. The combination of classic design and a meticulously engineered drive makes it an incredible addition to any collection or for anyone seeking a stylish and memorable driving experience. Don't let this piece of automotive history slip away. Number 7. 1972 Mercedes-Benz SL. Price $22,500. Experience the pinnacle of automotive luxury with this 1972 Mercedes-Benz SL, an exceptional roadster that stands out in both style and performance. Listed 43 weeks ago in Leawood, Kansas, this classic beauty has been driven only 10,000 miles, making it a truly rare find. Featuring a smooth automatic transmission, the SL delivers a refined driving experience that's as timeless as its design. From its sleek body lines to its luxurious interior, every inch of this roadster speaks to the superior craftsmanship Mercedes-Benz is known for. Whether you're a collector or a driving enthusiast, this low-mileage, highly sought-after SL offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of history. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind classic, a true automotive treasure. Number 8. 1989 Bentley Turbo R. Price $3,000. Luxury, power, and presence, all in one bold package. This 1989 Bentley Turbo R is a true British icon, offered at an unbeatable price. Listed just a week ago in Stillwell, Kansas, it's been driven 150,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission that delivers effortless performance. Beneath the elegant exterior lies a turbocharged V8, built to move with authority and class. The Turbo R is more than a car. It's a statement of prestige, wrapped in handcrafted leather, wood, and heritage. Whether you're restoring it, collecting it, or cruising in timeless style, this Bentley delivers unmatched road presence and old-world charm. At just $3,000, this is an extraordinary chance to own a legend without breaking the bank. Number 9. 1994 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Price $8,500. Looking for a stylish classic with personality? Check out this 1994 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Listed 12 weeks ago in Tulsa, Oklahoma. With just 74,424 miles on the clock, this well-kept beauty features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Built to cruise smooth and look good doing it. Dressed in clean white with a cool blue interior, it's got that 90s luxury vibe that turns heads without trying too hard. The SL class is known for blending comfort, performance, and timeless design, and this one still delivers all that in spades. Whether you're driving it on weekends or adding it to your growing collection, this classic convertible is ready to impress. Don't sleep on it. Cars like this don't stay parked for long. Number 10. 966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D. Price, $13,000. Own a true slice of American muscle history with this iconic 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe 2D, listed just a week ago in Helena, Missouri, driven only 16,900 miles. This beauty is equipped with a manual transmission, putting you in full control of every roar and rumble. Classic lines, bold stance, and that unmistakable Mustang growl. This isn't just a car, it's an era on wheels. Whether you're a die-hard collector or a weekend cruiser chasing nostalgia, this 66 Coupe offers power, pride, and pure driving fun. From the chrome trim to the purring engine, everything about this Mustang screams character. Don't miss your chance to own one of the most beloved cars ever made. This pony's ready to run. Number 11. 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2D. Price, $8,500. Feel the wind and the power with this classic 1983 Chevrolet Camaro Convertible 2D, a true icon of American performance and style. With only 83,000 miles driven, this beauty offers a thrilling ride powered by a responsive manual transmission, perfect for those who love to drive. The convertible top adds open-air excitement, while the sleek design keeps heads turning everywhere you go. Whether you're looking to cruise the back roads, hit up car meets, or start a vintage collection, this Camaro brings the heat. Listed in Buckner, Missouri, and in great condition for its age. Don't miss out on this rare opportunity to own a drop-top legend from the golden age of muscle. It's ready for its next adventure. Number 12. 1977 Ford F-250 Super Cab Long Bed. Price, $10,500. Built to last and full of vintage muscle, this 1977 Ford F-250 Super Cab Long Bed is a true classic for truck lovers and collectors alike. Driven 123,456 miles, it's powered by a dependable automatic transmission and ready to tackle whatever you throw its way. The Super Cab offers extra room and comfort, while the long bed gives you plenty of space for hauling, projects, or weekend getaways. With its bold stance and timeless look, this F-250 delivers both function and classic Ford character. Listed in Eudora, Kansas, and in solid condition for its age, this truck is a rare find. Don't miss your chance to own a rugged piece of American history. It won't stay parked for long. Number 13. 1978 Firebird Trans AM. Price, $13,500. Unleash the legend with this iconic 1978 Firebird Trans AM, a muscle car that screams style, power, and attitude. This classic beast, listed in Pittsburgh, Kansas, is the perfect blend of vintage performance and aggressive design. From its signature styling to its unmistakable road presence, the Trans AM remains one of the most sought-after cars of its era. With bold lines, a rumbling V8, and timeless curb appeal, it's a collector's dream and a driver's delight. Whether you're restoring, cruising, or collecting, this car has the soul of the open road built in. Don't miss your chance to own a true piece of American automotive history. This Trans AM is ready to roar into its next chapter. Number 14. 1956 Chevrolet Classic 210, price $32,500. Turn back time with this beautifully restored 1956 Chevrolet Classic 210, a true masterpiece of American automotive history. With only 500 miles driven since restoration, this classic combines vintage charm with fresh performance. Featuring an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth and effortless ride, perfect for shows, parades, or weekend cruising. The iconic styling, gleaming chrome, and nostalgic details make it a head-turner wherever it goes. Whether you're a serious collector or simply love timeless design, this 56 Chevy is an absolute standout. Listed in Stewartsville, Missouri, and in immaculate condition inside and out, it's a rare gem that's ready for the spotlight. Don't miss this chance to own a rolling piece of Americana. It's truly one of a kind. Number 15. 1955 Pontiac Safari, price $45,000. Step into the golden era of American cars with this stunning 1955 Pontiac Safari, a rare and elegant classic that is sure to impress. With only 18,687 miles driven, this vintage beauty combines remarkable condition with timeless style. The automatic transmission ensures a smooth driving experience, while the iconic design and chrome accents make it a true collector's dream. Whether you're cruising down the road or showcasing it at a car show, the Pontiac Safari stands out as a symbol of luxury and craftsmanship. Listed in Harrisonville, Missouri, this meticulously maintained classic is ready for its next owner. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. This Safari is priced to move and won't last long. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.